it's light and the other one is... Dahil pag-send sa Sarah, Mario, natag 3 pounds na lang yun. 85%. Mga nag-make na short nila.
Na?
Oh, your carrot.
Yo! Look at
Nice. Is that ice cream?
Wow, sticky rice.
Oh, ayun. Nice.
There's vegetables inside.
Wait, can I try it?
It's hot.
Hot? Still hot?
Hot.
Still hot? You wanna try it?
Ito my God. Cute.
Can I try?
Yes, sure.
That's spicy.
Blow it.
That's spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, still hot. Blow it. Blow it stuff.
She's ready. Still hot maybe?
But I mean, it's still hot.
Don't feel hot from my lips.
It is. You try it though. You touch it. Touch it. No,
That's not
touch it
even
there.
hot.
Oh. Touch it in there.
Ew.
Oh.
Hot? Hot.
So,
Hindi na siya matulog-tulog. Ate Nib, Auntie Baby wants you to push the trunk in.
We got chunky.
You got chunky.
Oh, you said you wanna try. Okay ba? You wanna try? Taste test. Yeah. Is it taste test? Yeah. Tell us what. Tell us the review, okay?
That's a big bite. How was it?
Good.
Minasiya.
Good.
So good.
But what is it called? Samosa.
Dumplings.
Dumpling. Pork.